Peaky Finders. I'm back in Kent, they're in Tenterton, and we've got 3 fields, one with quite long grass but it's a bit whispery when you go through, and this one here, that one over there, the whispery one up the top there, and that one over there. We're in the middle of nowhere. There's been some gold found on the other fields, so I'm out with the Manticore with the M8 or M9, sorry. Enjoy and see at the first hole. Oh, and Dave's here. Here he is there. Enjoy. Alright, we've got a 66, but then this way it's a 71, 72. I apologise for any noise in the background, but there's a bit of an issue with some hole digging. Bit of swearing, so if it does come up on the phone, start again. If it comes up on the microphone, I will try and bleep it out. Right, it's out. Doesn't sound too good now. That's just a bit of lead. Just a bit of lead. God, that's cruel. Look at that, that is very cruel. Never mind, it was a 7/8. I actually thought I'd got a part of a hammer then, but I haven't. It's just what's possibly part of a washer. Very cruel. Never mind. And just rub salt in the wound. Here's another part of it. That's a definite washer then. There you go. It's just sounds like iron now. But that doesn't. Let's see, shall we? So let's have a look together. Right, what we got here? Bloody shotty end. Never mind. Just a shotty end. So let's go to where the worms are and we'll probably find it. Yeah. Okay. Lost it. Lost. Right, just a bit of pistol shot. Yeah, just a pistol shot. It's jumping around 71, 72, and then an 83, 85. Let's have a look. Not consistent numbers. It's now jumped up to 91, 92. It's there, but I just can't find it. Ah, there it is. Just a bullet casing. Yeah, Remington, I would have thought. Yeah, I would say it's possibly a Remington. Well, there you go. Probably going to be a bit of toot. Sounds alright though. Cut halves at that level, that number. I'm gonna go for. Right, another bullet, I think. Yeah, another bullet. Just another bullet. Ah, 1819. It's a button. Yeah, it's a button. With a difference. It's got numbers on it. It's got 23. 23, 25. Yeah, 23. Very nice. I didn't show the dig because I thought it was going to be another bullet. There you go. A button with a 23 on it. I'm going to turn you on. Turn you on because I'm not too sure what this is. Ah, it's a button. I see the 4 holes now. Never mind. Just a button. Well, I haven't got a clue what that is. If anyone knows, please comment, because I haven't got a clue. And that come up as a 8. Yeah, 8, 9, 10. It's heavy, but I've never seen anything like that before. It's just loads of balls, so I wonder if it's from a shot. And that's the the shot actually out of a shotgun cartridge, maybe. I wonder. It's come out in a big lump instead of splitting off. Yeah, that's possibly what that is, to be fair. Possibly. Some lead shot. I've got an 8990 here. It's going to be a dirty bit of can. The answer is going to be yes on that one. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's not. It's a coin. I stand corrected. Big old chunky coin. Big old chunky coin. Oh. George a second, I think. George a third, George a second, something like that. Yeah, I would say George the third. Oh look, I've clipped it. Damn. Right, they're looking. Yeah, George the second. I'd say it's a big old penny. George the third, sorry. Big old penny. As they're looking that way. And there you go. A penny. Oh, 69.70. Apparently it's not very far down, so into a bit of tin. Rather than a coin. Oh. No, it's another coin. I think it's George the sixth. George the George the sixth, I think it is. Can't quite see the date. But anyway, coin's a coin.